Today we are going on a full-day longboat snorkeling trip. We booked a small group tour package through one of the travel agents on the walking street. The tour company picked us up at the resort and drove us by tuk-tuk to a nearby beach. Our longboat, the Sawan, waited for us on the beach. We waded through the shallows to climb aboard the boat. We were joined by a German couple and their young son, along with our snorkeling guide aboard the boat. The boat set off under cloudy skies.
Alright, well, you have to wait.
Soon we were speeding over the blue waters. Past isolated islands. To our first stop, anchoring over a coral reef, where we could use the provided snorkeling equipment to view the colorful fish. After about an hour, we moved on to our lunch destination, a nearby small island. The included lunch turned out to be a plastic container of lukewarm chicken fried rice and a bottle of water. We ate as a torrential rainstorm poured down. The rainstorm soon passed. I went for a swim in the crystal clear waters. Watched the little kids playing with their hermit crab zoo on the beach. Took photos of the longboats moored by the pier. And briefly flew the drone to capture images of this island. We embarked and moved to a rock outcrop in the ocean nearby the island, where we could see larger fish. Except the water was murky due to the current. we were served a snack of watermelon. We moved on to our final diving spot, where we moored just outside a protected coral reef. The water was much cleaner and many small fish could be seen. On the way back to the island, the boat broke down. But with a bit of tinkering from the boatman and the snorkeling supervisor, we were soon on our way again. When we returned to KOH LIPE, we walked to Sunset Beach to watch the beautiful golden skies of sunset. Afterwards, we ran into another well-known local coconut donut seller, the Yohoo lady, who had her own poster outside the store on the walking street. We ate supper at the Elephant Cafe on the walking street, where we had pad thai, a Thai noodle salad, and a patty melt with French fries. After supper, we walked past the Coconut Doughnut Man with his catchy tune. Back along the walking street, then along the beach to the resort. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment.